My friends, investors spend years chasing the perfect portfolio, jumping between funds and ending up with a mess of positions they can barely explain, because at some point investing became incredibly complicated, more funds, sectors, opinions, and somehow more confusion. But what if the smartest portfolio this year isn't the most complex one? What if it's just 3 ETFs, one to anchor your money, one to grow it fast, and one to pay you while you wait? And today I'm going to show you exactly how to build that portfolio, even if you're starting with just $10 a day. The average American family has around $334,000 saved for retirement, and that's after decades of working and saving, but at a standard 4% withdrawal rate. That's only about $13,000 a year. That's grocery money, not retirement money. Before getting into the portfolio, there are 3 rules. Rule 1, pick only one ETF from each category, because every slot has a job to do, and doubling up doesn't make it stronger, it just makes it messier. Rule 2, know your goal, because if you're in your 20s or 30s, lean into growth. If you're closer to retirement, lean into income. Rule 3, stay consistent, because good fund picks mean nothing if you bail at the first sign of trouble. The first ETF is the anchor. My son's VTI, the Vanguard, Total Stock Market Index Fund. You get exposure to over 3,500 American companies in a single fund, and you're not betting on any one company, but on the entire American economy. And if you put $10,000 into VTI today and reinvest every dividend by year 30, that money is projected to grow to $387,355. The second ETF is the growth engine, my friends. QQQ, the Invesco QQQ Trust. It tracks the 100 largest companies on the Nasdaq: artificial intelligence, semiconductors, cloud computing, e-commerce, profitable giants with global dominance in their sectors. And QQQ has averaged 19% annual appreciation over the last 10 years. If you invest $10,000 today by year 30, that money is projected to grow to $1,920,977, which is nearly $2 million. The third ETF is the income layer, my sons, SCHD, the Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF. It selects companies with strong balance sheets and a consistent track record of paying dividends. And while a bond has one benefit, SCHD has 3. Income today, a growing dividend every year, and share price appreciation. By year 30, that $10,000 is projected to grow to $422,014, generating around $20,326 per year, which is $1,694, landing in your account every single month passively. Now, let's bring all 3 pieces together. My friends, you split $10,000 equally, putting roughly $3,333 into each one, and the combined portfolio has an annual growth rate of 13.46%. And by year 30, that $10,000 is projected to grow to $560,970, which beats that $334,000 average retirement savings figure by over $226,000. But what if you don't have $10,000? My sons, this portfolio works just as well with just $10 a day, and over 30 years, that daily $10 is projected to grow to $1,364,774, which is over $1 million. With a daily coffee budget, you reach 4 times that famous $334,000 average. All you have to do is start and stay in.